This year we're conducting a program called Home for the Holidays. In that program, we're offering free spay and neuter for our dogs or cats, the first 100 that are adopted before December 31st. It's a really excellent program to encourage people to sort of get something while they have a little extra time around the holidays to start introducing that new pet in their home, do some dog training, get the cat acclimated to their house while they're around before they go back to work. Right now we have such a wide variety of pets that I'm sure that we can find something for you if you're looking. We have guinea pigs, we have gerbils, we have ferrets, we have rabbits, we have cats, we have dogs, we have snakes. I don't have any turtles right now, but we do have some turtles that aren't quite ready for adoption, but perhaps in a couple months they'll be ready. When you come here to adopt an animal, you need to show proof of residency, and if you rent your home, we need to have proof that you're allowed to have a pet in the home, some sort of pet addendum on your rental agreement. If you have other dogs or cats in the house, we have to have proof of rabies vaccination for those animals. We moved into the new shelter on December 11th. It was our first day open to the public here. We've gotten a lot of great compliments on the new housing for the dogs. It's a lot nicer atmosphere all the way around, much larger cat condo area, so that we have 40 cats up in our cat condos now instead of just 26. On Saturday, December 22nd, we are having an open house with refreshments, and we will have tours of the new facility for the public as they come in. There'll also be a presentation for our outgoing director and thanking her for all her hard work in getting this brand new shelter up and running.